How to turn up or how to turn off live in-app notification on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to your TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down on your profile, open your profile. Then when your profile is open, you will just go up and click and open this three line, then go to settings and privacy, and on settings and privacy go to notification, click on it, then open in-app and notification, then go to the last option live and turn on this option like this and make it look like this as you see. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.